Hello, welcome to this video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to track Facebook pixel web conversion tracking with dynamic value. So I have a previous video. In that video, I showed you how to create pixel, how to create Google Tag Manager setup, and then set up pixel web conversion with dynamic value tracking for view content and add to cart. This is a advanced and a standard Facebook pixel event. So if you run Facebook ads, you will need to set up this type of event, uh, view content, add to cart, and the other two is initiate checkout and purchase. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to track initiate checkout and purchase event. So let's start. So for this reason, I have to visit Google Tag Manager. Okay. Now I have to open a docs. This is a important docs I have created for to do the uh, work of Facebook conversion. Sorry, Facebook Pixel standard event setup. Now let's do the initial checkout event setup. So if you don't have a idea or knowledge in this in view content and add to cart, you will need to view my previous video. Now let's start. At first we have to create a trigger, but to do this before, let's preview our previous tag, or sorry, previous Google Tag Assistant, so that we can know what is happening in our website. So this is our demo website. Now to improve the quality of your testing and our okay, anyway, no problem. Now let's visit a product. Now let's click add to cart. You can see there is lots of event is happening uh, here. In the tag assistant, we can see lots of Google tags is firing because we have set these things earlier. Sorry. Now let's buy something. Okay, view cart. Here we can see lots of event is occurring in the Google Tag Assistant. So let's proceed to checkout. We just want to go to this page because we want to track this page, this checkout page. So this means when I visit to checkout, it will show a begin checkout item. So now we want to go to this sidebar and find a page view cart. Okay, sorry, view cart, and let's find the event view item, add to cart. Yes, this is the event. What is event? When we do anything in a website, let's say add to cart, view cart, or anything, then it will fire a event. This every aspect or every part of a website is called event. So this is the event. It is begin checkout event. Now, what is begin checkout? Begin checkout is when I go to checkout page and I start to input my uh, details like first name, country, etc., etc. Then it will fire a tag, or sorry, event that is called begin checkout. That means initialization. And in Facebook, for Facebook, it is called initiate checkout. Now we want to set up this tag and event actually to send data to Facebook. Now for this we will need some variable. We'll use this docs file to create the variable. For this, content name, content ID, value, currency. Now in the earlier video we used DLV currency, but um, DLV value is also easy, but we have to use custom JavaScript for content name and content IDs because this is a set of value, or that means there can be lot of product or product price or ID. So because if people can buy many items in on purchase, right? That's why there will be a lot of product or multiple product. So in data layer, we don't have any data like that. You can see for this because we have checked out on item, so we cannot see this. Let's check out another item. Here, let's click here, then click add to cart. Now I think we have multiple items. Yes, let's proceed to checkout. It will again fire a begin checkout. Now what we can see is um, multiple product, right? So in our method of view cart, let's go to text. If you want to know how to set up this type of event, you can see my previous video, add to cart and view content. I showed you how to do this. Now let's click add to cart. Here I can see that uh, here I can see that um I have um, by the object properties I have taken on item. That means on content type, on content IDs, value, currency, just on item, or this is a single thing. So how can I send multiple product data on time in on event? So for this we have to use custom JavaScript. It is a custom code to track or to take all the IDs. Now for this, let's create this variable. So content name. Let's take content name by this code. At first, we have to create a e-commerce items, right? Now this is the code method, so we don't need to understand deeply, but you have to understand a simple process. First of all, you have to create a variable called e-commerce items. Now you will take or you will pull data from that variable through this function or through this uh, JavaScript code. So you will understand this method after watching my video, the next process. So keep watching. Let's first let's copy this, the name. Okay. Now go here, variable, click new. No, I think first you have to create a variable called e-commerce items. Okay. Let's go here, name it, and click here. Then click data layer variable. Now we have to we have to pull item name. But at first, go to our data layer. Now, let's see. We have chosen two product, right? So where is that product? The product is under e-commerce, then under checkout, under the products. Now in this array we can see the products. Okay, so at first we have to create this. Then let's click copy and paste it here, e-commerce. Then again in the product field, sorry, in the checkout, we can see that our product list exists. So a dot and this, then create, paste it again, copy products, dot and products. Now if I keep this as it is, then it will use our item, and we can just we can use this layer or this data. Okay, let's go to copy this item. Okay, we should avoid this because it is a old schema. E-commerce, then go to items. If we take this, there is no problem, but it is easy directly e-commerce dot items. Okay, let's see. Okay, to at first we should check where this second curly bracket ends. At first, uh, this bracket ends here, and after that items appeared. Okay, copy items. It's fine. We don't have to do anything and click save. Now we have to create another variable to pull the data from that array. Items is a array and there is lots of data. We just want to copy or take this item name and this item name. Okay, so go here. Let's go here. Then copy this code and again. Okay, we'll name it later. Now for this we have to use custom JavaScript and paste it here. Now let's copy this name and go here, paste it here. We're done. Click save. We have to do this process for product IDs also. So let's copy this. We have to do this e-commerce items. Okay, we have done it on time, so we don't need to do this thing because e-commerce items are already done here. Here you can see e-commerce items. So let's click new, then create another variable called product IDs. It will collect these product IDs. Is item ID, this item ID. No matter how many item ID here, no problem. The custom JavaScript will get this data from this layer, data layer. Okay. Now copy this code again. Now it will pull item ID here. Okay, no problem. Custom JavaScript, paste it here. It will pull that, no problem. We are done. It's very easy now because of the JavaScript code. That's it. Now come here and set our initiate checkout event setup. But before that, we have to uh, click a. We have to create a trigger. Why? Because the trigger when the event fired fire, then our tag will do his job. Okay. Now click new from trigger and just click here and click custom event and paste the event name. Okay, now we can name this as a initiate trigger, initiate checkout. Okay, click save. Now we have done our variable and trigger. We have to go to tags and create a tag for this. Click new. At first name it initiate checkout track. I can do this for as if we are doing this for Facebook. Now click here and click Facebook pixel. From here we have to select Facebook pixel ID. Facebook pixel ID. Where it is? So we just copied it now. Okay, let's visit our event manager directly as I bookmarked it. Now go to settings. Now go to settings and then click here and paste it here. Now we have to paste it here, and from the page standard event we have to click initiate checkout. Now initiate checkout and click initiate checkout. Then from here go to object properties. From object properties we will send data to Facebook. For this we have to set some property value. Now go here and then copy this and paste it in that field. Event name, initiate checkout, content type. I have already talked about this type of thing. So if you have multiple type of product, you will need to copy this or product group. Or if you have just one type of product, then you will need to copy product, or you need to set product. So we have multiple type of products, so let's copy product group. Then again content name. For content name we have created a uh, uh, we have created a custom JavaScript variable. This is called CJS product names. Okay, click here, select it. Now content IDs, click content IDs. Now click here, here content IDs. Now DLB value. Sorry, we had to create another two custom variable because this is for checkout the value changes. So for this we have to create another. We can create from here. Click plus, then click here data layer variable. First rename it, then copy this. Okay, we're done. This is the value, and let's create currency variable. We forgot it to create earlier, so that for this we are creating this now. No problem. We have options to do this. Copy it and click here data layer variable. That's it. We're done. DLV currency, convert currency. Okay, done. Now go to the early page, copy value as a variable with this name. So, okay, we have already a DLV currency variable, so no problem. We created for our early add to cart and view content event. Okay, no problem. Now, just select that. Okay, here currency. Now, for object properties for DLV value, we have to write value here, and here it is currency. After that, okay, done. Now we have to select the trigger here. We have created initial checkout trigger. Save. Done. We have done our initial checkout. Then just click submit for version. Let's click. Let's write initiate checkout. Publish. We're done. Go to test event and test our event to check if it is working or not. Okay, from Google Tag Manager workspace, let's click preview, and I don't know why it is not working. Now I think it is working. Connect. Okay, let's click continue. Okay, great. If we click we can see page view event fired. Now go to a page, go to a product and click add to cart to check if it is working or not. So we can see our value, our Facebook events manager is getting data. So I think it is working. So go to view cart. I hope it will show a initiate checkout in this container loaded here. You can see. Oh, sorry. Proceed checkout. We need to click proceed checkout. So I hope it will show a initiate checkout tag. Yes. In the begin checkout, we can see initiate checkout tag fired. Here, yes, we can see that initiate checkout tag fired. That means our tag is working perfectly and it is also sending data. Here you can see we have content IDs. We have multiple products. That's why we are getting multiple product data. Total value is showing also, and the product name is also showing. That means we have done this tag perfectly. Now let's do a quick tutorial of how to set up purchase event. Okay, so for purchase we have done maximum things. Now just to go to the purchase event, everything we created the custom JavaScript variable, so we have everything. We done everything. We just need to create a trigger. So when we purchase, let's uh, let's purchase something. Okay, proceed to checkout, and simply just order. As it is a demo site, I don't have any problem to order anything. Now let's see purchase in data layer, and this purchase event fired, or yes. So go to Tag Manager, click New. Let's write purchase. Now from here we can click Custom Event and paste our event name. Then save. Done. Now from initiate checkout, we can just copy it because every most of the item is common here. So just copy this and rename the other things. Okay, just cut it and write purchase. Purchase. Now we have to change something from the here. We need to click purchase and we just need to change the trigger. From here, click initiate checkout trigger. Sorry, from here, click purchase trigger. We are done. And we also need to change this to purchase because now we are setting up purchase event. Let's check our docs and if we need to add anything else. Yes, we have to add another thing, DLV transaction ID, because to differentiate our every purchase, Facebook needs some ID to differentiate it that the every order is unique. So let's click okay purchase data layer. Now we have to create some create a data layer variable for transaction ID. Now there will be value, there will be currency. Okay. Okay. Go here and add some property. Click new. From here we can create a variable, no problem. Just paste it, then copy it. I explained how to pull data from data layer earlier. So I am just now copying the data layer code here. I hope you understand. No problem. Data layer variable, paste it, done. Let's click save. DLV transaction ID, done. Now just copy order ID, paste it here. I think all the other item has been taken. Then click save. Great. I have done this. Let's write purchase event. Now I want to already a purchase trigger came. So I think there's something messy. Uh, let's check something. Okay, go here. View content. Check. Let's check view content. 8649. Okay. I don't know why this event fired before. Okay. Let's check again. Go to our website. Now go to any product. Click add to cart. Click view cart and buy something. place order. Great. We've bought a product. The price is 150. Order number is 3084. Go to here. I think the order ID haven't ap- arrived. Content ID on 60. It will be shown in the backend, no problem. And the other uh, I think there is some problem. I think I found it. Where is the problem? Let's go to our website backend. As I check and practice many tag manager account, for this I have another tag manager installed. So let's go to settings. Just remove on tag manager ID. I hope it will help. No problem. Now it will work. Let's clear the activity and refresh the page and check again. Review this. Okay, no problem. So just connect. It will show the data. Click add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout. Every data is coming perfectly. No problem. Now place order. My purchase has been perfectly done. You can see the order data is here 3086. This is 3086, and everything else is also coming perfectly. DNK blue shoes, uh, DNK blue shoes, DNK blue shoes, and here in the purchase, all the data is coming perfectly. Thank you very much for to listen in this video tutorial. I will make another video tutorial how to create a GA4 event. Now, for this, if you want to get that tutorial, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.